Hey, I'm Sam Sunderland. I race the Dakar Rally and the World Rally Championships for the GASGAS Factory Racing team. I worked very hard to win in 17. A lot of ups and downs along the way, broken bones, coming back, winning, crashing, hurting my back, coming back again. So yeah, I won in 17, I was third in 19 and third in 2021, and normally 22 is time to win again, so better get that done. So yeah, here we are in Dubai, out in the Doonies, getting ready for the next Dakar. It's a lot of preparation from all the team and roadbook training, physical training, just trying to put everything through the stresses that the Dakar throws at us so that we are ready to go. So yeah, the change of colours is quite cool for me. It's like a bit refreshing and something exciting, and of course there's that goal to try and win on the GASGAS and be the first kind of guy to win on 2 different coloured bikes. So that would be something quite special for me and something that's got me all fired up. So I've got a new teammate, Daniel Sanders. It's cool. I think he's a young guy. He's got a lot of energy and motivation, and hopefully with some of my experience I can help him out and he can help me out with some of his excitedness, and should be a good mix. And yeah, try and get the GASGAS bikes up the front.